Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a link to your LinkedIn profile. This is a great way to direct visitors to your personal website, portfolio, blog, or any other online presence you want to showcase professionally. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to add the link, as this feature is tied directly to your personal profile settings. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn homepage. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see your profile picture and basic information. Click on your profile, which will take you to the full view of your LinkedIn page where all your professional details are displayed. Now that you're on your profile, you'll want to make some edits. Look for the pencil icon located beside your profile information at the top. This icon is your gateway to customizing and updating various sections of your profile. Go ahead and click on it to access the editing options. Once you've clicked the pencil icon, scroll down through the editing options until you find the button labeled Edit Contact Info. This section contains all the ways people can reach or connect with you beyond LinkedIn itself, including email, phone numbers, and websites. Click on Edit Contact Info to proceed. Inside the contact information section, find the area labeled Website. Here you'll see an option to add website. Click on this to open up the fields where you'll input your link details. This is where you'll connect your external web presence to your LinkedIn profile. In the website URL field that appears, type or paste the full link you want to add. Be sure to include the entire URL starting with http:// or https:// to ensure the link works properly when someone clicks on it. Next, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Website Type. Click on this drop-down to see your options. LinkedIn gives you several categories to choose from, including blog, company, other, personal, portfolio, or RSS feed. Select the category that best describes the link you're adding. This helps visitors understand what they'll find when they click your link. Once you've entered your URL and selected the appropriate website type, click the Save button to confirm your changes. LinkedIn will process this information and add the link to your profile's contact section. This might take just a moment, so give it a second to update, and that's it. You've successfully added a link to your LinkedIn profile, making it easier for connections, recruiters, and potential clients to explore more of your work or online presence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.